Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. It's Monday morning. My floors are dry. First thing I'm going to do is wipe down the glaze on this tile. Put this toilet in. Put this vanity in. Put the trim molding in. Put the door back up. And then put the mirror on. So without further ado, let's get started now. Alright folks, so today, recap. Clean the toilet in the tub. Put the trim molding up. Put the vanity in. Glued the top down. Glued around the perimeter. Cleaned my tile. I'm going to let this set up, and tomorrow I'm going to hook up my P-trap and my water lines. I don't want to monkey with this. Toilet's good. Flushes. It's clean. I cleaned the tub. I had that oil base pink paint that I had mixed up years ago down in the boiler room, and I touched up a couple spots on the tub. Some of the tubs had some decent chips, so this one wasn't bad at all. Scrubbed it with Comet and bathroom bleachy cleaner stuff. Doors back up, trim molding's all done. When the floor guy puts the floor, I'll come up with a threshold right here to connect the two after he's done. Tomorrow I'm going to rip this sink out and put the new sink in and get that all up and running. So that's where I'm at. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please subscribe if you like this kind of thing. Share the video, leave me a comment. Tell me where you're from, what kind of project you're working on. Hit the like button! Choo-choo!